Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make praline cake. Preheat your oven and gather ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, eggs, cream, and pecans. Start by making a caramel and tossing toasted pecans into it, then cool and chop. Prepare a tender cake batter, fold in chopped praline, and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Finish with a creamy praline frosting and sprinkle reserved praline bits on top. Make the praline early so it cools properly and stays crunchy in the cake. Heat sugar slowly until amber, watching closely to prevent burning, then stir in toasted pecans and a pinch of salt. Pour the mixture onto a lined sheet and let it cool completely before breaking it into pieces. Reserve some fine crumbs for garnish and set aside larger pieces to fold into the batter for texture in every bite. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for baking days because it's leak-proof, easy to carry, and keeps you hydrated when your hands are sticky from caramel. I use it on long prep days, and it saves spills and trips to the sink. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create a stable batter by creaming room temperature butter and sugar until pale and fluffy, then add eggs one at a time. Alternate adding sifted dry ingredients with warm cream to maintain structure and moisture. Fold in most of the chopped praline gently to keep pockets of crunch. Transfer batter to a lined pan, smooth the top, and bake until golden and a toothpick comes out mostly clean with a few moist crumbs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.